Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with another gadget unboxing and overview. And today, I have the Jabra Elite 65T wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now, Jabra is a company that's been designing technology for an awful long time, and they make some of the very best headsets and headphones for both the commercial and the consumer markets. And they brought all of that engineering prowess to the design of the new 65Ts. For example, they're IP55 rated, which means they're perfect for jogging or working out. You're not going to have to worry about a little bit of sweat or maybe rain when you're jogging, causing any damage with the earbuds. They'll operate for a full 5 hours on a charge, and if you need more time, you can slip them back into the case, which has a battery inside of it, which will extend that time another 10 hours. It'll actually recharge the earbuds when you drop them in the base. If you're in a hurry to get out the door in the morning, you can charge them for 15 minutes and get a full hour and a half of use out of them. Now, unlike a lot of the earbuds that are out there that are totally noise canceling, these strike a really good balance between noise cancellation and ambient sound getting through, because if you're using them outside and you're jogging, you definitely want to be situationally aware of things going on around you, but you can still hear your music and make your phone calls with crystal clear clarity. Now, one other thing they do different with this set than most of the sets on the market is they've got 4 microphones strategically positioned around the outside of the earbuds, so your calls are going to be crystal clear. If you're on a conference call or you're calling a friend, they're going to get excellent audio out of them. Now, the kit includes a lot of extra accessories, which I'll take a closer look at in a minute, but the other feature that separates this from a lot of the other products on the market is the application that comes with it. It allows you to actually contour the sound to your liking, almost like a frequency equalizer, where you can actually set the sound with more bass or more treble, so it's perfect for what you want to listen to. The last thing I'll mention is that they're completely compatible because of the latest Bluetooth wireless technology built into them with both Android and Apple phones, and they're a snap to connect. Now, if you stay tuned, what I'll do is take a closer look, sort of an unboxing, to show you everything that comes with the kit and sort of explain what they do so you understand how to use them once you get them home. And then I'll come back with some final thoughts on the earbuds. Inside the kit, you'll find a short charging cable, USB-A on this end, micro USB on this end. This end of the cable plugs into the bottom of the charging case. The other end you can plug into any standard USB wall charger, or you can plug it into your computer. That provides all the energy you need to charge this case and charge the earbuds. The case itself is made out of a hard plastic, which does a great job of protecting the earbuds. On the bottom is the micro USB port, which is used for charging. To open the case, you'll squeeze here gently and pop open the top, and you'll see 2 cavities inside which perfectly fit the earbuds. Now, when you put them back in, you want to make sure you get them on the right side. You can see the Jabra's upside down there. You want to spin that around so you can actually read the Jabra, and that's the side it pops into. So drop them in the case. Now, they won't actually start charging until you close the case. By closing the case, you're pushing them down against those contacts in the bottom, and they'll start charging. The earbuds themselves will give you 5 hours of use on a full charge, and if you need more energy, there's a battery inside here that'll actually recharge them twice. So there's enough energy between the case and the earbuds to operate for up to 15 hours. Also included with the kit is a set of 2 adjustment gels. You've got a set of small ones and a set of large ones. The units themselves come with the standard size gels on them, and this will fit most people's ears. But if you have smaller ears, maybe you'll pop those off and pop on the smaller ones. Or if you have bigger ears, use the bigger ones. It's nice that they include those so you can actually make the adjustments needed to give you a perfect fit. Also included with the unit is a full instruction manual with a quick start guide. Shows you everything you need to know about how to pair them, how to fit them in your ears, how to use them, and how to charge them. So everything you need to get started is included in here. And now we'll take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. If you look on the bottom closely, you can see that I've got an L and an R right here. So there's the L and the R. That lets you know which ear they're going to fit in. It's important you get them in the right ear so they fit perfectly, but you basically put them in the ear and twist slightly and they'll seat down inside your ear. On the front of the unit, you've got a button which is used for all the functions, and you've got 2 microphones, one there and one there, which is that quad microphone setup to pick up all the audio when you're on a call or you're on a conference. You can actually use the microphones here. To use the unit, this button does multiple things. So by long taps or short taps, you can actually put it in pairing mode. You can pick up a call, drop a call, you can advance to the next song. So everything you need to do is just by tapping these earbuds on that button on either one of them. And right now this guy's in Bluetooth pairing mode. It's looking for my phone, so I won't actually go through that process. Now that you know what comes with the kit, I wanted to point out a few of the features that the 65Ts provide that you'll need to compare to other models you may be considering. The first has to do with connectivity. The 65Ts use the very latest Bluetooth standard, which means you're going to have an easy connection, it's going to stay connected, and you're going to get the best quality audio. A lot of the models on the market that say they're Bluetooth compatible may be using an older standard of Bluetooth, which is going to limit their connectivity, the type of phones you can use them with, and certainly the audio quality. So when you're searching for a set of earbuds, you want to make sure it's got the latest Bluetooth technology built into it. And again, these are using that technology. The second has to do with the IP rating, and that tells you how durable they're going to be if you're going to use them for things like jogging or working out. Now, if you're working in an office, it's not that important because you're going to be inside all day, but if you're going to be jogging or working out or getting in any kind of environment where there may be a little bit of moisture, you want to make sure you have at least an IP55 rating, which these provide. Some of the models in the market have lower IP ratings, and again, they'll be fine for office use, but you don't want to work out with them. The third has to do with the charge length. Now, these provide 5 hours of use on a single charge, and it may be intuitive to you to say, well, longer is better with that. But honestly, the longer the charge, the bigger the battery, which means the bigger the unit. So it's going to be uncomfortable in your ear. So 5 hours to me is sort of a great compromise. It gives you plenty of time for a workout or a really long jog. And if you need more time, you can drop them in at the charging case and you'll get an additional 10 hours of the battery that's inside there to recharge the headset. So about 5 hours is great. Another thing you want to consider is how comfortable they are in your ear, and that's a hard thing to do online. It's really nice that Jabra's included these extra gels which allow you to adjust that for different size ears, because everybody's ears are different, and if they're too small, they're going to fall out. If it's too big, it's going to be uncomfortable. So by having these extra gels included in the kit, you can make the adjustments you need to make it perfectly fit your ears. And the last thing I'll mention, and this is kind of a bonus, is that Jabra's including an application which allows you to contour the sound of these to match your phone and your musical taste, which is something a lot of them don't provide, which means you've got to listen to it the way it was designed from the factory. Jabra's giving the ability to customize that sound to your tastes. So that's pretty much all I had for today. I hope you found this clip helpful. Stay tuned because we've got more coming, and until next time, stay nerdy.